Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited. This video is the continuation on the basic knowledge on chart patterns. In this session, we will discuss the final topic called neutral patterns. Distinguish of neutral patterns is that price can be going up and down before the pattern and it can go up or down after the pattern. The key thing to look for is the direction of price breaks out of the pattern. Where price goes before the pattern does seem to be that important. When we are talking about neutral patterns, the neutral patterns are composed by four types of triangles. Let's begin with the ascending and descending triangle first. The ascending triangle that we saw earlier can be either a bullish continuation pattern, neither price will be going up and the ascending triangle will confirm a trend to the upside, or a ascending triangle can be a neutral pattern, means that the direction mark that was going before the pattern is irrelevant. What matters is the breakout direction that confirms the ascending triangle. If price breaks the upper line of the ascending triangle, the price is probably going upside. If it breaks the lower line of the triangle, it means that it is probably going to the downside. The way to trade the other direction is same as well other chart patterns. As we saw, we wait for a breakout and we wait for the price to retrace back to the breakout line. In the case if price breaks out the upside, the stop should be below the confirmed demand zone. The target should be at least 3 times as the stop size. In the case that if price breaks out to the downside, stop should be above the upper horizontal line and the target should be at least 3 times as big as the stop. In the case of descending triangle, we have the exact same situation. The only difference is the upper line of the descending triangle is downsloping. The lower line of the triangle is horizontal. Also again, since this is a neutral pattern, the trader must pay attention to where price breaks the pattern. If it breaks to the upside, stop should be below the lower horizontal line and put a target that should be at least 3 times as big. If price breaks the pattern to the downside, the stop should be above the confirmed supply zone. Put the target that is at least 3 times as big. Following the exact same direction, also once again we have two other types of triangle that finishes the category of neutral chart patterns. We have a symmetrical contracting triangle and a symmetrical expanding triangle. The only thing changes in the neutral chart pattern is the angle of upper and lower line. Let's begin with the symmetrical contracting triangle. Upper and lower line that converge to each other. This pattern implies decrease involved theory. If price breaks the upside, stop should be lowest low in the triangle if the confirms the demand zone. If price breaks to the downside, the stop should be at highest high in the triangle. Or in a confirmed supply zone, the target should always be 3 times as big as the stop. If you want to use this constantly for a long trade, next chart pattern we will analyze in our upcoming sessions, so stay tuned. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.